box from Amazon. Amazon. All the way from BC, bro. Alright, so we got another toy for the garage, for our house here. Jeez. Amazon packaging. See this, look, this type of huge box for another box within a box. Look at that. It's the baby Husqvarna. So you like it, Yulianchik? Yeah. It's a baby chainsaw. Sure. You want to play with it? Yeah.
Try it out first.
You want to try it out first?
Wait, I'm gonna try it.
You don't think it's gonna be that loud?
I'm gonna put it would be a spoon.
So, what is this thing? The Husqvarna 130 for the specs, 38cc engine, 16-inch bar, 10 pounds. It weighs 2 horsepower. Sideways. Watch it, you imagine? So, you got a little bottle of 2-stroke mix, spark plug, chain tensioner, little screwdriver if you need, Jiggy. You got instructions here, you got check?
We use that for the, we have to use this to the chainsaw now. We need this is to the
Not right now. Look at that.
Oh,
It's a baby chainsaw, Yulian.
I'm gonna hold it?
Baby here. Can you hold it? Heavy?
No.
Use it? You want to cut some trees? Yeah? So if you're like buying Husqvarna, you gotta look for, where is it? The stamp of approval. This thing, the barcode, the VIN, where it's made and everything. So here it says Sweden. So this is a real Husqvarna, covered in dust, it's still good. Lives forever. Versus this thing. This thing has no barcode. Does it have a barcode? Oh damn it, it does! It does, so it is a real Husqvarna. So this is a baby one. Look at the little baby one, Yulian, check.
Wow.
Comparison.
Small like Addy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
More instructions. How to mix gas. Air pollution index for some reason. They don't move.
Come.
Yeah, gotta fill up with gas. And oil. Let's fill it up with gas and oil first. I bought it so I could do this. Like stretched out on the tree, trying to cut limbs. Still too heavy. Still too heavy, bro.
Okay, so let's return it and get your money back.
Nope.
Why not?
No. Mama.
Because it's real.
It's real.
It's okay.
It's real.
It's
Husqvarna.
Oh no.
Say Dash. Oh, okay.
Not first thing.
Safety.
Yes. Not
Safe
cut.
distance away
Yes, and
so you don't get hurt.
it's not cut.
And you don't get cut, yeah. You have to be very careful.
I am trying to get access to the inside. To the air filter. Let's see if that's all good. Double check everything. before first start. So function works, linkage works, all that stuff. So that's connected. The butterfly opens up. That's all good. Yeah. Just double check all your stuff. You never know what they do in the factory. And now we have the spark alert arrestor right there. It's on top of the muffler. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna remove this thingy jiggy. That's what I do for all my gas products. Okay. See? Oh, it is a screen. It's designed to stop like a fire starting, but then this screen over time, if your mixture is off for the 2-stroke gas, maybe you put too much oil or whatever, oil will build up on this and block off the exhaust port and stuff. And then good luck starting it. You gotta take it apart, clean it out, and put it back. Spark plug in place.
This funny, Papa. When you do that, it squeaks like a mouse.
Yeah. Yeah, it does, you Yanchik.
It looks like funny.
Yeah, man. Okay, put it all back. So pull up, pull towards you, and up is the choke. You hit the trigger, it automatically jumps down. All right, man. Good old Husqvarna. So the oiler works, so we have oil here on the ground. You spit a line. So that's why I was doing that like that, holding it like this and gunning it. Check if the oiler works. That's it. Brand new little Husqvarna 130. Great for trails, like throw it in the back of the Ranger and go around on trails with it.
But you need to make sure that your Ranger actually can run.
One day we'll fix that one. And so, again, it's a list of products, of things to be done, like the Volkswagen, the Ranger, the house, the trees to be cut down.
And?
$300 you can't go wrong. It works. It does what it's designed for. Little trees like this. Cut it up for a firewood for a garage. It works, but it needs to break in. It needs to idle for like half an hour or something like that, then use it and set the rings in the piston. That'll be easier to start and all that. But it's gonna be trusty old Husqvarna. Throw it around, keeps going for some reason. It doesn't worry about the mixture of gasoline and the oil, not like other saws. Look at this thing, cobwebs and everything.
Is that one getting retired or not?
No, we can't. Look at this thing.
That's right, you're a hoarder, I forgot.
Put some gas in it. Look at all the cobwebs been sitting. See? Trusty old Husqvarnas. Keep going and going. No matter what. Look at this thing. Don't care about it, don't even take care of it, nothing. It goes. Versus a little baby. Little baby has to get broken in and then we're good to go. Alright guys, up to you. What do you guys prefer? A Steel MS 130 or a Husqvarna little 130? This stuff. Well, I made my decision a long time ago. Everything a Husqvarna. From chainsaws to the leaf blower here in the corner. It has to be reliable. Alright guys, have a good one. Take it easy.